I'm not a paramedic, so I'm just worried about stuff in. I'm gonna have to carry this guy out of here. He's gonna start living down here. That's what we see in the back. I'm aiming for, if we got a half a gram, that'd be incredible. It means this spot's pretty dang rich. And this is mostly, who knows what this is, it's mostly glacial fill back here. Oh wow, yeah, that cleaned out really nice. There's a lot of fine stuff. Well, no, look like fine stuff. A lot of fine. That cleaned out real nice. Moment of truth. See Chuck's pro panning skills. He just started mining here a couple months ago, and
Fuck
yeah, Chuck's been doing this like his whole life. And now he's into inventing things to make life easier and better, and so you can get into cool remote spots. Because that's where the good gold's at. You got to go far out. All the close stuff is, you can go to a worked out spot and get a little bit, but why do that? Spend your time in a nice, untouched place. Go for a hike. Take the green machine.
There's some gold at the back.
Oh, wow.
Look at all the gold coloring.
Look at that.
Fuck, we didn't bring any soap. Wow.
I got some soap on a rope back at the car.
Oh. Oh, fuck.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the gold up top.
Holy. Pardon my...
This is only the top mat. Holy crap. I just gotta get, don't mind my head close to yours, Chuck.
Pardon the video, guys. I got an iPhone 10. Oh my goodness.
Holy shit.
That is incredible.
Oh man.
There's a lot of gold in there, folks.
I don't want to leave.
Look at that. Wow.
Oh man.
Too cool. I'm glad this is my claim.
Oh boy.
I'll see you later, Chuck.
Yeah. Thanks for freaking.
Anybody want to buy a claim, you come and let me know.
Just don't knock me over the head and freaking stay up here.
Yeah, Busker Scruggs. Yeah. No, that's pretty good. I'm curious to see what the actual good cleanup will be at the shop.
I gotta put this all in the bag.
Let's do it. Into the bag she goes.